All right, so we're all done here. Let me just walk you through everything we did real quick. Starting with the gas line, we hard piped it over on the other end where they did have the flexible whip. So now we've got it hard piped to here with our shut off, flexible whip into a sediment tee. That way it's all up to code, and if I ever need to work on anything, I just shut it off and I can access a gas valve or whatever I need to work on. Thermostat wire we cleaned up because it was all sun beaten and quite honestly in danger of shorting. So we ran some new wire just back from the elbow where it comes out up under the stand here, and then brought it out to minimize its exposure to the sun. While I was at it, I also moved this disconnect up from where it was laying on the ground, potentially getting water in it or anything like that. We mounted it up on the stand, and I ran new conduit from there into the unit, so everything's nice and clean. Looking at the other side of it, here's where I just eliminated that flexible whip and hard piped gas line. That's pretty much it. We did give it a full condenser coil cleaning and evap coil cleaning, so it should be running as efficiently as it can. All right, so we fired it up, made sure everything was running right. It is. It's running cooler, cleaner, and more efficiently, and we've got a happy homeowner. So for the time being, this should work.